Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to back my channel. Today we are doing something a little bit different. While I love sharing my gardening journey in last video with you guys, I could not resist capturing the beauty of the London sky on this perfect summer day. Join me as we take a moment to appreciate the stunning views and reflect on the natural beauty that surrounds us. There is something truly magical about a clear blue sky. It fills us with a sense of peace and gratitude. As we go about our busy lives, it's important to take a step back and appreciate these moments of serenity. The summer sky in London brings people together. Parks are filled with laughter and joy. As everyone takes advantage of the lovely weather, it's a reminder of how nature can bring us closer, creating memories that last a lifetime. Just like the plants in my greenhouse, everything under the sun thrives with a little bit of care and attention. The vibrant colors of these flowers against the backdrop of the sky divine beauty and complexity of life itself. As the day comes to an end, we are gifted with breathtaking sunsets that paint the sky in brilliant colors. It's in these monuments that I feel a deep sense of gratitude, thankful for the day that has passed and hopeful for the new one. And as night falls, the sky transforms yet again, revealing a canvas of stars. It's a humbling sight, reminding us to the vastness of the universe and our small place within it. Thank you for joining me with this journey today. Let's take a moment to be thankful for the sky above us, a gift from God that brings beauty, peace, and inspiration into our lives. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Until then, safe travel.